Kapor baman kasngi, awan lam shipi da unang yalam news.
O Minister Jangka Public Health Engineering PHE Ushri Marcus Merak khatnya tarik Disember Rajasthan. Ula penpanai kajing penlut jangka Jal Jivan Mission JJM. Ula ong baha kapor kebalingkot umla pan ai jing khen lut Henry and Saai hau panai January jang snam ajar apanru. O Minister ula yathu bai Barok ke Chief Engineer na barok ke jala ki day ban lech kajing shakot hadalhi na kamanta ban la ai jing khen jing pyntrei kam yakan diket scheme. Kat kum kapisa peladap ha Myntri ula pensyairo bakal Meghalaya kalayo ban priang bat pelat praplai persen ladap maro day ban submit check central government pelat news pa krur kabil la pelaj po Meghalaya kitang don ke bedang sa bagi kontraktor kem perla ban pendap lut kabang don halenti bat bangin dang yai budin.
Government of India has called for a meeting day before yesterday. All the chief engineers of all the states were called to Delhi and they had a meeting. And I was briefed by chief engineer today that Government of India will be releasing very soon, but it will be in the month of January because some of the states were having lots of difficulties with the JJM projects and they are told to rectify the problems or issues that they were having. Everything is online here in Meghalaya. We have completed around 83 plus percentage in Meghalaya. There are some discrepancies which we are rectifying, but I was talking about other states. Other states are having lots of issues and problems, because of which Government of India said that you address to those issues and problems and concerns, and after that we will release the fund. So the chief engineers meeting, chief engineers of all the states were called to Delhi and they had a meeting and were informed that once it is done, almost every state is complying to the direction of the central government, and then once that is completed, they'll be releasing the fund. That will happen most probably by January 2026. Completed bills, online, I mean MIS, those are already completed, third-party inspections and ready for payment. Those are 700 plus in our state. Other states are huge.
700 crore, right?
700 plus crores in the state of Meghalaya.
Banyo iki kubon baman kasngi, subscribe ka channel unang yalam news. Kumle shibu.